Hey guys, today we're gonna make banana bread. It's a simple, easy recipe and it's finished in 1 hour and 20 minutes. So what you want to do is you want to turn your oven on to 175 degrees Celsius. So you're preheating your oven for about 15 minutes. So to make banana bread, you're gonna need 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, 5 overripe bananas, a half cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a mixer, a brush to butter your pan, and a loaf pan, a bread pan. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your flour and you're gonna take a sift to put the baking soda in, because you can have some annoying clunches, we call that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna just mix the flour and the baking soda, add your 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then mix it. And then we're gonna put this aside. So now you can take your banana and just break it into some pieces. Make sure it's overripe, because then the taste is stronger, I find. Add your 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And then you're gonna take your eggs. And then you add it to the banana mixture. Before putting in your butter, you want to butter your pan. So I'll dip my brush into the butter, and then simply butter your pan. And then add the rest of the butter to your banana mixture. Take your banana mixture and then you're gonna beat it for about 2 minutes. Then you're gonna add your banana mixture to your flour mixture. And you're gonna fold this lightly with the flour. And then you're gonna add your banana mixture to the loaf pan. Then you put this in the oven for 1 hour. Here's the delicious banana bread. I wish you guys can smell through the video. Enjoy!